What's happening, YouTube? Thanks again for tuning in. We're now into the next steps of this process. Thank you very much for the love and support on the first video of where we purchased and did some shopping. The next step is to see what happens when the item needs to be released, shipped, and it gets to my door and I open it up. Quick recap. So we paid for this item back in December, like 15th. We're quite a bit in the future right now. So you know, 128 bucks. That's with the fees and the commissions fees and all that stuff. Right out the door, within 3 or 4 days, the item has been received at the warehouse. So now they are requesting us to pay the final fee to have it then shipped to me with everything accumulated for international shipping. So we're talking another 120 bucks. So we pretty much paid the same price for the guitar in shipping, which sucks a little bit, but considering we got this guitar for less than $300, so we're talking like $220. That's a pretty good steal, even for the bolt-on and the kind of less sought-after type of model. This is going to be a fun guitar to kind of work on and almost kind of rehab in a sense. So once we have this invoice, we click on the link and it's going to ask us to go pay for everything. I have already paid since we're really far in the future, but let's see what happens. This thing claims it was shipped on the 24th December, which is like Christmas time, and that probably was like maybe the day of Christmas over in Japan land here. But I received this on New Year's Eve, and we're going to go unbox the thing. So, thanks for sticking around. Well, my friends, here we are with another unboxing from Rinkya. Whoa! Peanuts. We'll hang on here for a second. Oh, cool. And so this is what I like about Rinkya here, as we get this out of the box. Look at this, we got this like kind of spacer that protects the guitar in shipping. So this is what's really cool about these guys. Peanuts everywhere. Let's try to lift this out. So you just kind of, I guess, just slide this off again, carefully. Some newspaper, and then I took it apart. I've kind of sliced this I've already sliced this up in the back a little bit. But should have quite a nice cherry burst. Les Paul. So, from the sun here, definitely they painted over the headstock. That's cool. That was kind of what I was expecting. Yeah. Hollow body, pretty cool. Bolt-on neck. Yeah. Oh yeah. Little guy's responding. Oh yeah. So it's pretty sweet. We'll get a closer up look once we kind of got this all together. Oh yeah.